Hello students, in my today's video I will be covering web development tools. The first question is, what is the use of these web development tools? Do we really need these tools and what are they? So web development tools are nothing but the software or the applications used to design, develop, test and maintain websites efficiently. Helps us to design our website faster and efficient. The common website development tools are, the first tool is code editors, and this tool is used to write or edit the web code. Examples of these tools are Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, Sublime Text. Second tool is web browsers, and these browsers are used to test and view the websites. Examples: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge. Third tool is design tool, and these tools are used to design the layout and graphics. Example: Figma, Adobe XD, Canva. Next tool, or the fourth tool that we are going to discuss, is the frameworks and the libraries. And these frameworks and libraries provide us the pre-written code for fast development. Example: Bootstrap for CSS and React using JavaScript. The fifth tool is version control tools. Now these tools are used to manage and track the code changes. Examples are Git and GitHub. The next tool is web servers. These servers are used to host the websites. Example: Apache, Nginx, etc. That's all for the day. Thank you.